for Sugar Matte as Hell crayons, and these are the two shades that I have here. And I also shared an update with you guys that I will be sharing a review on these lipstick which I purchased a week back, and I have been trying them on every single day, and now I think I'm ready to give you my final verdict. So if you're somebody who is planning to purchase these lipsticks, so definitely watch this video till the end because you'll get to know a lot of things about these lipstick. I am here with my 100% honest review for these Matte as lip crayons. So if you're interested to know more about these lipstick guys, please keep watching.
So let's talk about the packaging first, guys. As you can see, they come in these very beautiful creative outer covers. Most of the Sugar products have the same kind of outer cover. Also, you get the shade number on the bottom of the packet, and when you open it, you get these beautiful lip crayons, very handy and travel friendly. And they also have the shade patches here on the bottom so they can understand which shade is inside. So the first shade that I have here is 07 Viola, and let me very quickly go ahead and show you the swatch. So I'm swatching this shade on my hand over here, and I'm shooting this video in natural daylight so you can see the exact color payoff, and you can see how beautiful this color is. It's a very beautiful peachish, mauvey natural color. It looks very beautiful, guys. Let me very quickly go ahead and show you what it looks like on my bare face. So I just have eye makeup on, and I'm going to apply this lipstick on my lips here, and as you can see, it glides so beautifully onto the lips. Very beautiful color. It's a very nice neutral undertone color, so it will suit all skin colors, guys, especially with people having a deeper skin tone. I think it will look wonderful on their skin color. So now the second shade that I have here is this beautiful shade, which is the Grape Goddess in the number 06, and as you can see, I'm swatching it on my hand. It glides on so beautifully onto the hands, and it is this beautiful dark wine violet color and looks very beautiful. And let me show you what it looks like once applied on the lips, and I'm using the same shade to outline my lips, and as you can see, it looks very beautiful and glides on so easily onto the lips. And as you can see here, guys, it's a beautiful wine color, and I think this particular shade is going to look good on fairer to even deeper duskier skin tone as well. It's a very gorgeous color. But the one problem here is it kind of transfers, and it transfers very easily, so you are going to stain your coffee mugs and your spoons. So along with the lip crayons, you also get this free sharpener, I think, which is very useful to sharpen your lip crayons and also your kajal pencils.
So guys, अगर मैं बात करूँ इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी की, तो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीमी सॉफ्ट टेक्सचर है इसका. When you apply it, it glides on really beautifully onto your lips. It also keeps your lips feeling very soft and supple throughout the day. But I experienced one problem with this particular lipstick was that it kind of feels a little dry. After 2 to 3 hours, you'll feel like your lips has completely drenched out all the moisture. So make sure you apply something prior to using these lipsticks. Make sure you use a lip balm before using this, though it says that it is a creamy texture, but I felt that it kind of dries out your lips after some time. So I would say that this is one con with this particular lip crayon, but other than that, I think it's beautiful. The shades are amazing. They really look matte, but they are not transfer proof. As I showed you, it is kind of transferable, so whenever you're eating or you're drinking coffee, it will stain your glasses and your mugs. And if I talk about the lasting power of these lipsticks, is that it kind of stays on your lips for 2 to 3 hours, but then after that you will have to apply a layer again. Also, I would suggest you, when you're reapplying this lipstick, once go ahead and swipe off the top layer of your lipstick, and then go ahead and apply the second layer, because it will look very crumbly and it does not look good. Also, it kind of feels heavy on the lips. This is what I felt, and it does not feel lightweight. You always feel like something's there on your lip. It is not at all lightweight. So this is one problem that I faced with this particular lip crayon. Even when it's fading, it kind of leaves this tinted effect to your lips, so bilkul zyada faded out nahi lagta. It looks very beautiful. Also, I would say that there's one problem with this lipstick that I had experienced was that it kind of feels very heavy on the lips. It is not at all lightweight, so I always had this feeling that there's something on my lips. It kind of feels very heavy on the lips, so it is not at all lightweight. Get these lip crayons at 899 rupees, and you can check them out on the Sugar website, also on the Nykaa website. They are quite available all the time, but they are mostly out of stock. So I think whenever you want to buy these shades, you can definitely go and check on the Sugar website. So guys, if you want to purchase these lipsticks, I will share a link in the description box. You can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and for more such product review videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more such product review videos. Until then, see you next time.